Like, follow, subscribe. Like, follow, subscribe. Shane-Jahi. Like, follow, subscribe. Like, follow, subscribe. Shane-Jahi. Like, follow, subscribe. Like, follow, subscribe. Shane-Jahi. Like, follow, subscribe. Like, follow, subscribe. Shane-Jahi.
Pizza dude's got 30 seconds.
A few moments later.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Shane-Jahi Jackson. I figured today I'd do a video about underpainting. This is a practice more so found in oil painting. It's a monochromatic painting, which means one color in all values. This is also the first layer of my paintings. I paint with the acrylics watered down, and I use a lot of watercolor techniques, building up layers and values and tonal properties gradually. I'm basically making a monochromatic finished product, like a black and white photo, for instance. Underpainting can be done in many ways and mediums, from pencil, paint, ink. Even abstract artists do underpainting sometimes, using other materials as well. I think of this as the painting skeleton, or if you're into geography, a road map for the painting. This also falls underneath toning the canvas in a way. If you haven't seen my video on toning the canvas, go ahead and check that out. In my practice, I use acrylic paints basically just because they dry faster. It works as a binding agent for the oils to cling to, and it doesn't affect the oils at all. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, tell your friends about me, tell your mama's friends about me. I'm here all day. One.